Alright guys, gold is pushing down. It's going down, it's going down. Boom! We're now at 40 pips. What a beautiful trade guys. What a very very nice trade. Magic! Diba? 50 pips. Okay, 50 pips now guys. Magic ba? Lagyan mo ng magnet. Nako, hindi natin kailangan ng magnet. Ang ano natin, magic. Uy, boom! Okay, full TP guys. Full TP. 65 pips right now. Kalapaano mo dyan. Magic. Magic sarap. Kita nyo yan? Luwag pa sa screen. Because of our magic chocolate. Teka lang, dagdagan natin yung chocolate natin.
One eternity later.
Thank you Lord sa maagang pamasko namin. 13th month. Ay, may bonus pa. Magic sarap. Galing sa XAU USD. Yan. Look at that trade. Diba? Magic sarap.